All right, the court will come to order. First case on the docket this morning. American Express Bank FSB versus Daniel De Leon. That case is 2020, or rather 2021 0129-01. Here we go. Case number 350276. No answers dropped. Case number 2016 CV 04505, Mercedes Sanchez et al. Versus Gwendolyn Sawa, S-O-W-A. This is to release funds. No answer. It's dropped. (2017) CV 01929, Lillian De Leon versus New Cleaning LLC.
Movement's present, Your Honor.
This is De Leon.
Yes, Your Honor. It's our motion to compel.
Okay. Lillian De Leon versus New Cleaning. No
Your
answer
Honor.
from, no answer from New Cleaning. Do you have proper notice?
Yes, Your Honor. I have the green card confirming they got notice.
Motion's granted.
I'll submit an order, Your Honor.
Thank you. 2017 CV 3164. Hold on a second. I'm having a little trouble seeing some of this, and I think I see why. Oh, damn it. (2017) 3164 Jessica Michelle Uresti et al. Versus Maria Hassel et al.
Your Honor, Paul Taylor, the guardian ad litem for the minor plaintiff. This is a friendly suit that we approved up by affidavit that has been e-filed, and we have submitted an agreed judgment to your clerk for your signature.
I tell you, you're the friendliest guy I've seen in this docket, Mr. Taylor.
I'll try to keep it coming, Judge.
All right. I'll sign the order.
Thank you.
You're quite welcome. Thank you. Now we have 2018 CV 03637 Ramona M. Villarreal versus Woodlark UTSA Apartments LLC. Motion to dismiss.
Non-moving is present, Your Honor.
You are.
Movement is present, Your Honor.
All right, you're both available then.
Yes, sir.
How long will this take?
I would say 5-10 minutes.
Okay. I'm going to hold off assigning you temporarily. We'll be with you shortly.
Thank you.
Both ready. All right. 2018 CV 07, pardon me. 2018 CV 07028. Interbank USA versus Catherine Turner.
Joshua Hanson, judge, here for the plaintiff. It's an application for turnover receiver.
All right, sir. You got notice?
Yes, sir.
No answer by defendant. Order granted.
I'll send it over after the hearing, judge.
All right. 2018 CV 7952. Adrian Martin Torres et al. Versus 934 Lee Hall Land Trust. Motion for summary judgment.
Morning, Judge. That's my motion. Movement's present.
Do you have proper notice?
I do, Judge.
Okay, is it Mr. Wilkes?
Yes, sir.
All right, your motion's granted.
I'll submit an order. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. (2019) CV 06952 Maritza Salvador et al. Versus Petra Cifuentes Salvador.
Your Honor, Paul Taylor, the guardian ad litem for the minor plaintiffs. We approved this up by affidavit that's been e-filed and submitted a agreed judgment to your clerk for your signature.
All right, sir. I'm going to call this Friendly Taylor. All right.
I've been called worse, Judge.
I beg pardon?
I've been called worse.
You and I both. 2019 CV 7886 Interbank USA versus Robert C. Barron Jr. or Barron, as it were, receivership.
Yes, Your Honor. This is Joshua Hanson again for the plaintiff.
No answer by defendant.
No, sir. I've got no response from them after we sent out notice and discovery.
All right. Interbank has their order.
Thank you, Judge. I'll send both orders. Can I be dismissed?
Yes, sir. 2019 CV 9501 Citibank NA versus Elisa Ramos.
David Wright for Citibank, Your Honor.
This is a motion for summary judgment.
Yes, Your Honor. The plaintiff requests that the hearing be reset. The motion for summary judgment was sent to the debt company representing the consumer and the defendant instead of the consumer themselves. We would ask for some time to get that service complete.
How much time do you want?
60 days, Your Honor.
We said 60 days.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
May I be excused?
Yes, you may.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Stay safe.
Thank you.
2020 CV 00542 Latanya Renata Staley versus Sean Michael Gaitan. Siri Fascias. Stowe or Stoli, I can't read it. Latanya, let's see, that's 2020-00542. Dropped. CV 01988. Allison McClanahan versus David Troy LaPrade et al.
Here for
Move
it.
in, Troy, Your Honor.
This is David LaPrade, sir.
This is a motion to compel.
Yes, Your Honor. To
Okay,
compel mediation.
Your Honor, I also had a motion to change venue. The house is in Guadalupe County. I lived in Guadalupe County, but the case was filed in Bear. I'm not sure why.
are you David Troy?
I am, sir.
Okay. If you'll hold up, I'll assign you to a judge to listen to what you're saying. Do you have an attorney representing you?
No, sir.
Your Honor, that's the first I've heard about that motion to transfer venue. I mean, it's not on the docket today. The only thing that's on the docket is the motion to compel mediation.
I understand. Mr. DeBagan, is that what it is? DeBagan?
Debasion, Your Honor.
All right. How long would it take for you to present your motion in view of Mr. LaPrade's assertion?
5 minutes
All
or
right.
less.
I'm gonna set you aside like the other one and see what we do about this.
Okay.
I'm not on video.
2020 CV 2144 Shell Shama versus Double J Site Services LLC. Motion to compel.
Your Honor, movement is present on that. Ali Hakim, for the plaintiff. I don't know that opposing counsel is here. I have not heard back from him since we filed this. I probably just need 5 minutes on the record.
What is this basically now?
It's a motion to compel discovery, Your Honor, but we're asking for attorney's fees.
And you're telling me that you have proper notice?
Yes, Judge.
No answer.
I'm sorry, Judge, if you're saying something, I can't hear it.
Judge, I think you're on mute.
He appears to be on mute, Rosa.
He's having difficulties with his microphone. If you can, please hang tight.
Okay.
Can y'all hear the judge?
Can you hear me now?
There's a lot of echo. I can't hear anything right now.
Yeah, he's not saying anything.
Okay.
All right. We were on Shell.
Yes, on the Shama case.
Can y'all?
No,
Yeah,
it's
it's still the same thing.
Please bear with us.
All right, am I back on?
Yes, sir.
All right, very good.
Yes, Judge.
Thank you for your patience, folks. We were on Shema versus Double J Site Service.
Yes, Your Honor. Ali
Okay,
Hakim for the movement.
sorry. Say again.
Oh, sorry. Ali Hakim for the movement, present, and opposing counsel doesn't seem to be here.
All right, this is a motion to compel, wasn't it?
It is, Judge.
And there's no response from opposing.
That's correct. And there is service.
All right, bring in your order.
Well, Judge, I would want 5 minutes on the record just for attorney's fees proof up.
Okay. All right, we'll note that and put you on it shortly.
Okay.
2020 CV 2922 Richard Solis et al. Versus Gazwan A. Zanjil et al. Motion to compel.
Movement is present, Your Honor. We go ahead and drop that. Counsel and I have decided to forego on the hearing for right now.
And who is this?
Robert DeBasian, the movement. And we're just requesting that you please drop this setting.
All right. Since I'm having a little trouble here, give me your case number. This is Richard Solis.
This is on the Richard Solis case, cause
Okay.
number
I got it.
2020 CV 02922.
That is dropped.
Thank you.
(2020) CV 3229 Sri Ganpatent LLC et al. Versus City of San Antonio et al. Motion is set for jury. Mr. Hinojosa. 3229 is dropped. (2020) CV 04758 Taylor Properties LLC by Lockwood Realty Group versus Angelita Cortez et al. Trial.
Plaintiff present, Your Honor.
Defendant, no answer. Bring in your order.
Thank you, Your Honor. Where do I submit them?
County Court number 5.
Thank you.
(2020) CV 4230 Tomas H. Esquivel versus Frank O. Rodriguez et al. Trial.
Present, Your Honor.
Who's answering?
Tomás Esquivel.
I'm present, Honor.
And who is that?
Frank Rodriguez. And Honor, just to let you know, on the 26th, I'm on a 14-day quarantine. I've got the paper here if you need me to submit it to you.
Who's talking?
Frank Rodriguez.
Well, you're apparently able to appear on the computer, right?
Yes, I'm on the computer.
Yeah, that's how we're holding trials now. If you'll stand by, we'll see which court draws the bean. All right. (2020) CV 04853, Karen Yamaguchi versus James Lush et al.
Yes.
Motion.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tommy Atkinson for Karen Yamaguchi.
All right, sir. Is anyone there for James Lush? This is to set a trial.
This
Mr.
is,
Atkinson?
Your Honor, this is an appeal that they filed when they lost on the first go-around in trial court.
Well, is this set to be heard now on the appeal?
Yes, and they haven't paid rent in over 2 years and have no contract with my landlord client.
Did they file anything on CDC type stuff?
No, Your Honor. She's trying to regain the property that was unlawfully squatted on by these guys, and it's got a mobile home that needs to be demolished and removed from the property because it's in such horrifically bad condition.
All right, Mr. Atkinson, bring in your order.
Okay.
Your request is granted.
Okay. May we have a judgment for our attorney's fees and court costs, Your Honor?
You want to make a record?
I can.
And the electricity.
There's there's $930 in electrical cost.
Well, you need to make a record. We're going to get you with one of the judges, with a court reporter to hear it.
Okay.
If you'll hang tight.
Yeah. Thank you.
We'll assign you shortly.
Thank you.
Take care.
You too, Judge.
So you could be dismissed.
Go ahead and turn this off.
2020 CV 4911. Philip Duran versus Jose David Garcia Hernandez et al. Trial.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is David Schaefer for the defendant.
Yes, sir.
The plaintiff in this case has indicated to the court a non-suit, so we request that you drop the setting for today.
All right, sir. This is 2020 4911.
That is correct, Your Honor.
It is dropped.
May I be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, you may.
You have a good weekend, sir.
You too. 2019 CV 8705 San Antonio Television LLC et al. Versus Texas WW Southside LLC et al. Motion for summary judgment. McCarthy says dropped, so ordered. 2020 CV 3903 First Technology Federal Credit Union et al. Versus Resi K. Cornell. Motion for summary judgment. This is also to be dropped and so ordered. All right, that's the docket for today. Let's
Your Honor.
Yes.
This is Nathan Rutherford with the Will Allen Law Firm regarding the Sri Ganpari LLC quality in case against Saws. I think Joe Hinojosa had entered the agreed DCO to set a trial date for that one. I didn't hear it called. Maybe you did.
What's the case number?
Let me grab it. It is 2020 CV 03229.
Okay, that was Sri
Gampari Entertainment LLC.
Well, it says something like that.
Yeah,
Versus
Quality
City
Inn.
of San Antonio?
Yes, sir.
All right, I called that. Now, it may have been at the moment when my computer decided that it had a different attitude towards the docket. Okay, I did call it, but we did have a problem with the microphone. You may not have heard it.
Oh, I'm sorry, I did not hear it. We do want to settle trial date. We have dropped out non-seated the City of San Antonio and San Antonio Water System, but there are still 3 defendants there, and we've all agreed to this DCO. So we would like to set a trial date. And
it's 3229, right? I say it's 2020 CV 3229.
Yes, sir.
All right, what is it you want? I know you want a setting. What, do you have an agreement on the date or anything?
We weren't able to get a date from the court clerk. This is Joe Hinojosa had submitted this, but since we non-seated him yesterday, I just wanted him to appear and make sure this was entered. So we don't have a trial date set right now. This is
Counsel, you're telling me that you've agreed to set it. And I'm asking you what day you want to set for, and you can't give me an answer?
Well, November would be great if there aren't any trial dates available in November.
So you're talking about a jury or a non-jury trial?
Jury trial.
All right. We'll see what can be done.
Okay.
As you know, we're probably by November, God willing, we'll be able to have jury trials, but there's no telling.
Yes, sir.
So we will see about scheduling you for November of 2021. Patty, make sure that Noemi or somebody from the staff over there is aware.
Yes, sir.
Nathaniel, are you related to Dan?
No, sir, I'm not.
Okay, no problem. All right, that's the docket for today, folks.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
I am not sure if I'm in the right place. I was supposed to be on the docket for case number 350276.
That was the first one you called, Judge.
350276, American Express Bank versus Daniel De Leon.
Yes, Your Honor.
And who is this? Who are you?
Mildred and Allie for American Express.
I called that. There was no response.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I was in the presiding court for civil district.
Okay. Did you inform the clerks from the county courts that you would be there?
No, Your Honor. I'm calling because my secretary put the wrong information on our notice. They had the information for civil district instead of county. So I'm planning on resetting and having another notice sent.
Why don't you do that? Because at this point that's been dropped. It may well be that Mr. De Leon or the defendant, Daniel De Leon, has no intention of answering. The only problem is that I did call it. There was no answer at the time I dropped it. So why don't y'all reset it at your convenience to be recalled? But
Thank you, Your Honor. We will do that.
Alrighty.
May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am. All right. Ramona on the Ramona case, 2018 CV 03637, Ramona M. Villarreal versus Woodlark UTSA Apartments LLC. Somebody wanted to make a record on that, right? 5 minutes.
I believe
5 to
so,
10
Your Honor.
minutes. Pardon me?
Yes, sir, I believe so, Your Honor.
All right, well, we'll assign you to County Court 10.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
What's the next steps, Your Honor?
My coordinator will send you to, I think it's, what is it, Patty? The
Breakout room.
breakout room.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Patty.
You're welcome.
All right. Then we have Allison versus McClanahan, 20 CV. 20 CV 1988, Allison McClanahan versus David Troy Laprade et al.
Yes, Your Honor, the move-in's here.
Let's send you over to County Court 3, Judge Rodriguez. All right, that's on a 5-minute maximum. Then we have 2020 CV 2144, the Shell. There was no answer. You wanted to make a record, I think?
Yes, Your Honor. Is that my case? We just need 5 minutes on attorney's fees.
Okay, that is that 2020 CV 2144?
Yes, I think that is correct, Your Honor.
All right. Then we'll assign you behind the previous case to County Court 3.
Okay.
Okay.
May we be excused?
Yes, you may. Tomas Esquivel versus Frank Rodriguez.
I'm here, sir.
All right, let's send you over to County Court 3 after the other 2 short notices.
Is that a breakout room, Your Honor?
Ms. Garcia, is that you're going to send them to a breakout room?
Yes, Judge, I'm trying to wait for you to finish. This is the last one that you've got coming up.
And that's 2020 CV 3229. That was a trial setting. What other one do we have?
The last one that I have is the one with Thomas Atkinson, 2020 CV 04853.
I think he's got, that's also a short matter, is it not?
Yes, it is.
Karen Yamaguchi.
Yes.
Going behind the other people on the short notices on County Court 3.
Yes, sir.
Already?
Yes.
We'll get, shouldn't take you long to make your record, right?
Okay. Should I go forth and we're looking for the rental, past due rental over the last 2 years of $800 a month. And
Okay,
that's
hold on a second, Tom.
okay.
Kayleen, are you with us?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's just go ahead and take care of this for Mr.
Okay.
Atkinson right now.
Okay.
Judge, excuse me.
Yes.
Can
Yes.
you please allow all the people that you assigned to County Court 3 to go to room number 1?
Alrighty.
And the ones you assigned to County Court 10, it's room number 2.
Everybody on board? You understand what's going on? All right.
Are we?
No, Your Honor. What is
Tommy,
it that we have to do?
Tommy, you're going to make a record with me.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
All right. All right. At this time, the court calls case number 2020 CV 04853 Karen Yamaguchi versus James Lush et al. There is no response from the defendant. Mr. Atkinson,
Yes, sir.
the court will waive the oath. You may proceed to make your record.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. And it's an honor to be in this court again. I would submit that reasonable attorney's fees in preparation of the FE&D and the subsequent matters of service and the appeal to respond to the appeal and appear here this morning would be $1,500 and a rental of $800 a month for 2 years that has not been paid to the landlord, and the cost of court, and that's it. We have a $930 CPS Energy electric bill that is due and owing by the tenants. And that's it, Your Honor. We submit that.
The only thing is that $930 bill, is that the obligation of your client?
It's the tenants never had an agreement, a lease agreement. They were actually squatters and never had any agreement with the landlord. So we figured they were the ones that benefited from the use of the electricity, but they hadn't paid it. So the landlord was stuck with.
All right. Now, you said that the rental was $800 a month?
Yes, sir. That's what we believe a reasonable amount would be on a monthly basis.
Okay. Now, you're testifying, obviously, that your attorney's fees are reasonable in Bexar County, especially for somebody with the amount of experience you've had.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. What is the amount on the rent? Is it within it should be within the jurisdiction easily, huh?
Yes, I think
All
it
right.
is. Yes,
Just
Your Honor.
give us a judgment to that effect. And,
Okay.
Send it to County Court 5. I'll sign it off.
Fantastic. Well, thank you, Your Honor. It's an honor and a privilege to be with you.
It's good to see you, Tommy. I'm glad to see you healthy. Stay that way.
Sure. Hanging in there. Tell Pat hello.
You and anybody else that's listening right now, my standard goodbye now is be blessed, be well, and be safe. Okay.
Thank you,
Amen.
Judge. Right back at you, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
Amen.
All right. That concludes the docket for this morning. Patty, do we have anything else we need to worry about?
Your Honor,
Yes.
we have not been assigned out to room number 2. Are we supposed to go there on our own accord, or will we be assigned to that room?
Were you assigned to County Court 10?
No,
Yes,
siempre tengo como 20,000 sitios.
Yes, sir.
I'm trying to hear you.
Yes, sir. We were the case that was assigned to County Court 10.
Okay. You should be going, I believe, to Patty. Is that breakout room 2? Patricia?
Yes, sir.
Are we supposed to do that, Patty, or will you take us to room number 2?
I'm looking for yours. I'm gonna send you there. I'm sending you there now.
Okay.
See?
Mr. Debation, if you want to go ahead and give me a call, it'd probably be easier that way.
Pero no me tienen
You were
What number?
210-335-2575.
Okay, do I log off of this?
Yes, sir. And then we can go ahead and do our Zoom.
Okay, I'll call you right now. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Frank Rodriguez, I think you were also assigned to County Court 3.
Yes.
Okay, if you want to give me a call as well,
Yes.
210-335-2575, please.
Okay, say it again, ma'am. 335.
210-335-2575.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
The rest of your people are in one already, Reba.
In breakout room 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, we're through for the morning on this one.
Yes, Your Honor.
No, nada.
Te dije alternate A.
Ahorita.
All right.
Mercedes, I don't know who you are or who you were supposed to go to. Hello?
Hey, habla.
¿Sí?
Where were you supposed to go?
No hablo inglés.
Bueno, ¿qué es su causa que debía de estar?
Es para colectar el dinero que tengo en la corte, el mío y el de mi nieta.
¿Cómo se llama la causa? ¿Qué es el número de su causa?
El número es 2015 CB 0.
Ahorita, un momentito. Ok, proceda.
Sí, 2016 CB 04505.
¿Usted es Mercedes Sánchez?
Sí.
No, nadie contestó y el juez cambió la causa para otra, la quitó de hoy porque nadie contestó.
Pues no lo oí cuando él habló. Y
¿Cuál es la fecha?
Sí, estaba
Empezamos
presente.
tarde, como a las 9. Helene, what time were you able to log on after the new password was created? It was about 9:36.
Yeah, close to 9:40, I guess.
Eran como las 9:40 cuando empezamos.
Pero yo no oí que él me mencionó. Bueno,
¿A qué horas entró usted? Porque yo no la vi. Yo no vi que estaba usted aquí presente.
9:32.
¿Mande?
Entré a las 9:32.
No, porque nosotros no empezamos hasta las 9, como a las 9:40, porque estábamos teniendo problemas con la computadora.
Bueno, ¿cuál es la otra fecha entonces?
No sé, señora, usted va a tener que comunicarse con las cortes en la oficina de County Clerks y preguntar cuándo le van a citar otra fecha, porque el juez llamó su causa, era la segunda causa y nadie contestó, solo que la canceló.
Bueno, yo hasta levanté la mano en la pantalla.
Es que no se ve, nomás está negro, no tiene su cámara puesta.
Okay. Ay, ya tengo como 20 citas y no me he resuelto. Bueno, entonces tengo que ir a la corte otra vez a pedir otra cita.
Sí, porque no se ve y está teniendo, usted no se ve en la cámara, no la vemos, está negro.
¿Dónde está la cámara? Ok, está bien. Entonces voy a ir de nuevo a ver si tengo suerte, porque ya le digo, tengo como 30 citas y nada. Siempre, a veces el juez no me menciona porque no se la pasan y no sé qué pasa, pero ya.
¿Cómo se llama su abogado?
Mazuca.
James Mazuca. ¿Y por qué él no vino por usted?
No, ya el caso está cerrado. Nada más voy a colectar el dinero que está depositado en la corte desde hace hace tiempo. Ujú,
Bueno, pues
ujú.
no sé.
Okay.
Huh?
Hi, Patty. I'm waiting to talk to you when it's just us.
Okay. I don't know what's going on. Okay, I'm gonna close the rooms. Señora Sánchez,
Dígame.
le voy a escribir aquí una nota a la clerk, pero usted tiene que llamar y preguntar que por favor la pongan en otra
cita.
Otra cita, porque llegó tarde, pero tiene que arreglar lo de su computadora, que la enseñe la cámara, porque no se ve.
Okay.
¿Nos ve usted a nosotros?
Sí.
Bueno, a usted yo no la puedo ver.
Okay.
Está negra su cámara, pero cuando
la tengo encendida, pero no sé por qué no se ve.
No sé, pero tiene que explicarles a las clerks cuando vaya que usted habla español y van a necesitar que también componga su cámara para poder verla, porque el juez que la siga, que la oiga, le va a pedir que por favor se enseñe, porque pues puede ser cualquier persona puede decir que es Mercedes Sánchez.
Sí, entiendo. Entiendo eso perfectamente.
¿Me entiende?
Sí, sí, como.
Bueno, ellos, cuando usted vaya o llame a la clerk de la civil, explíquele que por favor anoten en un lugar que usted habla español y tiene problemas con su cámara. Pero como quiera le van a citar otra fecha.
Sí, no, ya sé que voy a necesitar otra fecha. Híjole. Bueno. Pero la cosa es que tengo que ir porque tengo que llenar los papeles.
Sí. Ya se puede salir, señora. Usted tiene que llamar allá.
Ok, gracias.
De nada. Adiós.
Patty, should you take it off